How to manage payments and deals notifications on Google Chrome Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage payments and deals notifications on Google Chrome Mobile. First we're gonna do is click on Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here and then click settings and now click notifications and now all you need to do is just find this one here, payments and deals, and if you want to turn it off just click on it, and as you see payments and deals has been turned off, and if you want to turn it on again just one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.